Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Monday, March 17th, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. Are businesses ready to transform for AI success? The article discusses how successfully adopting AI requires fundamental business process transformation rather than simply implementing new tools. O'Neill outlines a four-step approach: identifying processes affected by AI, consulting with process owners, exploring additional AI applications, and fully integrating AI into workflows. He draws parallels to previous tech shifts like mobile computing and cloud adoption, which similarly required significant operational changes. The piece emphasizes that proper AI integration can lead to substantial benefits, including automated tasks, enhanced decision-making, and improved efficiency. However, it also acknowledges important challenges that must be addressed, such as security risks, data privacy concerns, and the need for workforce training. The author suggests specific business opportunities in this space, including AI consulting services, specialized software platforms, and employee training programs focused on AI integration. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. Chinese tech giant Baidu has launched new artificial intelligence models that offer enhanced language understanding and emotional intelligence capabilities. The company claims their new models can match or exceed current market leaders while operating at a fraction of the cost. The models feature improved accuracy and built-in safeguards to prevent misinformation. Marketing teams can leverage these cost-effective AI models for content creation and customer engagement while maintaining tight budgets. Apple has delayed the release of its new artificial intelligence features for Siri until 2026 to 2027. The company's Siri division director acknowledged challenges with the current system's reliability. Apple has removed all marketing materials related to AI-enhanced Siri capabilities. Technology planning teams should consider this delay when developing long-term strategies for voice assistant integration in workplace systems. The Chinese government has established strict travel limitations for DeepSeek employees. Officials are now screening potential investors before allowing company meetings to proceed. The restrictions coincide with DeepSeek's development of new AI models planned for May. International business development teams should factor in these regulatory constraints when planning partnerships with Chinese AI companies. Congressman Jim Jordan has launched an investigation into potential government influence over AI company speech policies. The inquiry targets 16 major technology companies regarding possible censorship pressures. Companies have been given until March 27th to respond to the investigation. Compliance officers should monitor this investigation's outcomes to adjust corporate AI policies and government relations strategies. Microsoft is integrating its Copilot AI assistant into the Xbox application ecosystem. The system will provide gaming advice and tips to enhance player experience. This marks a significant expansion of AI assistants in gaming platforms. Game development studios can use this integration as a model for implementing AI assistants in their own products and services. SoftBank has acquired a former LCD panel factory in Japan for $676 million. The facility will be transformed into an AI data center to support their OpenAI partnership. This investment represents a significant expansion of AI infrastructure in Asia. Infrastructure planners can learn from this adaptive reuse approach when considering facilities for AI computing needs. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at razor.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.